So I made a mistake on the wiring size. The cable that I put into the conduit is 14 gauge, and the wiring that comes out to this receptacle is 12 gauge. So I had to get some 12 gauge and pull that back through. So I used this to pull it through, and now I should be good. Alright, we're finishing the wiring in the shed. This is where we left off. We've got the conduit attached here. I added a box extension and then added the conduit. Dug down there 18 inches, buried it, came up over here to the shed where I've got a shut off, and we pulled the wire through here, and I don't have it connected on either end, so I'm gonna finish the wiring and boxes in the shed and then wire it up. So here's the inside of the shed. Got the wire coming in there. Got one box, switch box mounted here, and one over here, and then I've got a few more to mount, and I guess I'll show it when it's done. Alright, that's the outside one with the wire pulled for the switch. And then that's going to come in here, and then I'm going to go to this box. And then I have a switch box and a light box, actually an outlet, and then another outlet, another switch, and I'm going to put a security light fixture box up here. Alright, we got that. Coming in, stapled there, this box, and up to this one. So I got this switch wired. I'm gonna put the cover on and then work on the inside. I still don't have it connected over there. I'll do that last. So I changed this outlet to a GFCI so I have easy access to it. It was connected to one in the kitchen. That was annoying. And it shows it's wired correctly, and it trips. So here we are in the shed. I turned on the power outside. And here's my first outlet, correctly wired. And then I've got it running under here, over to here, to a switch, which should go to this light up here, or this outlet I should say. And it's controlled by the switch down there. And I've got wires running to this switch, which controls this box up here, which is going to have a spotlight connected to it. And then off of that, I've got an outlet on this side. Got power. let's go trip it. And it did. So let's get back in here. And the last thing I want to try is the light. So let's flip the switch. And looks like we have light. Looks like it's working. So I finally have power in my shed. And light. I just wanted to provide a wrap up to the wiring the shed project. Here is the outside where I tapped into the exterior outlet and dug a trench and came over here to the shed where I've got an on-off switch. And then come inside the shed. That's where the wire is coming in, going to this outlet here, and then I've got it wired to this switch which controls the overhead outlet, which I plug some LED lights into. And then I've got power coming over here to this switch, which goes up to this exterior outlet for a light or a cam. And I put a ring light up there, and then I've got the rest of it going to an outlet on this side. I finished my shed project and it wasn't as easy as I was hoping, but I'm glad I got it done. Fortunately, I had an outlet here close to the shed that I could tap into. Digging the trench, even the short 7-foot distance, was a pain in the butt. And then just wiring everything up was not as easy as I was hoping, but I got it done and I'm happy with the results. Please like and subscribe if you think this video helped in any way.